literally a case of waving your hands and it working. So if we start the music, these buttons here represent these buttons here. So that's play. This one's swap, so you can swap between 3 pages. We have a number here, and that gives you 4 samples per page, 12 samples a song. That records, then you just go. If I leave my hand there, stay in time, stay in key, just follow the song. Organ. You can hear it's got a sustain on it as well, that's why I was doing that. It's like playing a guitar, you strum it and the sustain stays. The guitar. And if I want to keep that there, I just press the swap button and it stays there. I can take my hand away and carry on with the next page. With the piano. And the way I press stop then, it gives it a finalised perfect cadence. So if I was to play it, it's as simple as that really.
What's the price of this?
And the price is, for the basic version, you have $199, that comes with the hardware, the software which also comes with a playlist of 50 songs with 12 samples per song. You can also go online and download more. Then there's the studio version, which is what this is, which has a facility to make your own music, so you can go to tools and create new songs. And what you can do is you can import a sample that's pre-recorded and select, because as I said before, there's 12 samples per song, so you have 12 here, up to 12 samples. Then you put the rhythm in for the back rhythm, then you press how long you want the sample to go on for, how many bars, and then you literally select and import. As simple as that. And the best thing, really, if you wanted to, if you're at a school and the child wants to record a song, record what you did, you press record, which is this button here, and then once it's recorded, there's a button there you press, which turns it to CD, take it home, Mum, look what I did today. Made my own song.
It's a soft, tactile musical instrument, and it's been created for people who, for whatever reason, can't play traditional instruments. With this, I can play a whole range of things. So this is it playing a flute. So I have a different note on each side, and I can use scales, I can assign my own notes. I don't have to press each side individually. It's sensitive to the direction in which I'm squeezing it, so I can pull it this way to get that blue on, and I can actually play the whole thing from one point. So for people with very limited movement, it enables them to play really expressive music and play with a whole range of things. So perhaps someone used to using a chin controller, play it like that. You can adjust the sensitivity in the software, turn it right up, so now it's a really very light tiny tap. It'll also there's loads of different ways of playing it. Kids are always finding new ways of making sounds on it. You can adjust all aspects of it, so in terms of choosing different instruments, just click on a picture, something more percussive, some change notes. Let's get some deeper notes for that. You can use pentatonic scales, which work really well with 5 sides. Or you can assign your own notes just by clicking on a colour. Click somewhere else on the keyboard. And then you can save off those notes and create your own kind of tracks. And here's one that I've made earlier in a Blue Peter style. And I'm going to go for Katy Perry, I think. And we've actually started producing scores now, colour-coded scores that allow you to play quite advanced pieces. The software also lets you use any digital file as a backing track. So if I just go to the folder here, to the backing tracks, and actually that one I'm looking for is on my desktop. I'll grab a sticker in here, start it off, and I'm going to just pull up the score. There we go. Change instrument. There we go. So you can really play in a very advanced way, playing whole songs and melodies, or you can use it just for accessing, creating sound and improvising, playing with other musicians. It allows you to do a range of instruments. It can now play MIDI instruments as well. You can control all your instruments in GarageBand with this, or interface with other music technologies. You can also do sampling on it, one-touch recording. So here we can just stick a whistle on it. I can edit that in the software, trim it down, copy it to all the sides, and turn it on. And then I can make a scale with that. And so some people have been putting sentences on it, using it with phonemes, doing language comprehension, numeracy work, using it for sound effects, putting animal sounds on it, nature sounds. The world's your oyster, really. It's a unique, accessible, new musical instrument, and it's for everyone.